This example is more like an algebraic work. You're asked to evaluate the function, and the values for the x are given like as numbers, in some case variables like a, and also it has polynomial expressions in there. Okay, so I'll do this. So the first thing is the first part is pretty straightforward, and you might have seen the values like this. So technically g of 2 means it's asking what is the value of this given function when x is 2. So when I say g of x squared minus 3, what it means is what is the value of this function when x is x squared minus 3? What is the value of this function when x is a minus 3, and so on. Okay, so first I need to find what g of 2 is. So I would take 2 and plug it wherever I see the x value. So it's 3 minus 2 over 3 plus 2. 3 minus 2 would be a 1. 3 plus 2 is a 5. And therefore the answer for this would be 1/5. Again, repeat the same for the next. G of negative 3. So would be plugging in negative 3. So already I have a 3 minus and negative sign is there. So this will be a negative 3 over a 3 plus negative 3, which is a 3 minus 3. So here I have a 3 plus 3 over a 0. Since I have a 0 in the denominator, it is undefined. Okay, the next value is to find when g of 1/2 is. So it's 3 minus a half over a 3 plus a half. Again, it's a fraction, so common denominator 2. So it would be 6 minus 1 over 2 divided by 6 plus 1 over 2. Again, the 2's gets eliminated, right? So this would be a 5 over 7. So that should be the answer for that. And the next one is to find g of a. Again, let me use a different color for these. So for g of a, I need to plug in a in the place of x. So this would be a 3 minus a over 3 plus a. And I cannot simplify further, so the answer would be 3 minus a over 3 plus a. Okay, for the next part, it's g of a minus 3. So I would go 3 minus a minus 3 divided by 3 plus a minus 3. So the numerator, I have to be careful. I need to distribute this negative sign. So this would be a 3 minus a plus 3 divided by, I can cancel out these 3's and I'll have a up here. So now the numerator goes 3 plus 3 is 6 minus a over a. And yes, it cannot be simplified. Do not try to cancel the a's. You cannot do that, because 6 minus a is one quantity and a is another quantity. Okay, last but the one is in the place of a, I have an x squared minus 3. So I'll go 3 minus x squared minus 3 over 3 plus x squared minus 3. Here again, the denominator 3 cancels out. The numerator would be 3 minus x squared plus 3, because I am factoring in just distributing this negative sign. So this 3 becomes positive, divided by the 3 cancels, so x squared. So 3 plus 3 is 6 minus x squared over x squared. Again, if you have difficulty with the algebra, please go back and do some algebraic reviews. You have an additional book, and there is a personal study plan in your WebAssign. So please go through it and spend some time on it.